Hi everyone, it's Tammy with Southern Angels Boutique. I have just a quick little tip to share with you, and I'm doing this on my lap actually, so bear with me. My desk is still a mess. I haven't had a chance to get back in here to clean it or to even finish my little lamp to let y'all finish see the finished results on that, because I've been doing other things around the house, cleaning and organizing and all that. So but I had to find a box for something that I needed, and I found this one, which I'm sure y'all have seen. I think, did it come from Dollar Tree? Let's see. Can't remember if it came from Target or Dollar Tree or Walmart. I can't remember. It's one of these. Maybe y'all remember where it came from. It seems like it came from Dollar Tree at one time. I think they did. Anyway, you know, they flare out, and sometimes it's hard to fit these in a drawer. Like I said, y'all bear with me. I'm trying to do this on my lap and I'm not comfortable here, but I wanted to share this with you because you know how sometimes these do not fit real well in drawers, you know, when they flare out like that. So I thought, okay, this is just cardboard. I can cut this and make it more square to fit in my drawer in the little space that I need, because I needed a more square up thing. So that's what I did on this side. You can see where I've already done it. So I was going to show you how easily I've already cut it. You just cut right there on the ends there. And then you just see, you just line it up here. It's real simple. And make your little marks. Like this. I'm going to try and do this to where y'all can see. And this is just... a lot of y'all probably already know how to do this to alter a box, but I thought, well, I'll do a video on it while I'm thinking of it, because a lot of times I do things and then I think, oh wow, maybe I should have done a video on that, you know, because I see other people do videos on things and think, you know, I never do videos on things that I do, because I'm always busy and just not thinking about it at the time. And I thought, okay, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna set up my camera. I'm gonna do it on my lap, but I'm gonna do it. All right, so that's all you do. Just cut your lines. Get you a good pair of scissors. Doesn't have to be Tim Holtz. Just I think Dollar Tree has a really good pair of scissors in their like hardware section, like their kitchen shears. Maybe it's in the kitchen section, because it seems like I've got a pair in my kitchen that I got from there. Then you just cut on your lines, cut them straight as you can. That's why you draw your lines. I hope y'all can see what I'm doing. I can't watch in the camera and watch what I'm doing too, because I'll mess up. I don't see real well as it is. My eyes are so bad. Then, and get you some of that really good heavy duty clear packing tape. And Dollar Tree has that too. So, oh, I almost forgot. You got to cut those other ends off as well. So, just then you have this go up. Make sure it's up straight to where you need it. Well, come on, pen. Okay, make your marks. I apologize if y'all can't see everything I'm doing. I'm not the best at tutorials here. That's why I thought, well, I should do this. It'll give me good practice. angle goes. And then again, I know y'all can't see exactly what I'm doing here, but I'm just lining it up from that mark to that corner there. I can reach it. Okay, your scissors, and cut again. I can't wait till I can get a hold of either my computer's got to get fixed so I can do some actual real tutorials. This won't be that long, so it won't be so bad. I don't have to do any editing, but I know, like, any kind of real craft projects I'd like to do with you guys, but those that would take like hours long or anything, you have to do some kind of editing, or it just take forever to upload, and who wants to sit there and watch a 2-hour video or even an hour video, or you know. So I want to be able to edit like I used to, and I can't right now, so that's why I haven't done anything like that. Okay, so then you I hope that alright guys, I hope that someone called, and I hope I can figure out some way to piece these videos together, because it totally made my video stop. And I don't know how to edit on the phone at all, to where that's why I don't edit right now. So I didn't want to have to start all over. So I'm hoping I can get this video up, because now it's going to be in 2 parts. So that's the bad thing about this. That's why I don't get a lot of videos out, because if somebody calls while I'm trying to do a video, and I get a lot of calls during the day. So sometimes I do late at night videos. Anyway, so I was trying to say, you then have to measure and cut this part, if that got cut out, and then you can get your piece of tape. And you put it half on one side and half on the other. Make sure it's all lined up and smoothed out. Oops. I went too far on that one side. That's alright. I'll cut that out of that little window there. And then you just want to cut your corners. And if you get tape down in there, you can just cut that out like that. I still have some in there. See? Like that. And we'll get one more piece of tape. You don't need too big of a piece. I may have had too big of a one that time. Just about that big. I'll start up this end this time. That way you can see how far to go over, so you don't get in that hole. And then go over. Well, I may not not have had it quite big enough, but that's okay. You don't have to go over. Unless you just want a little extra support. So that's a little wobbly. I may kind of tighten it up. It's just going to have some little bandanas in it, so I don't think it's going to be that big of a deal. We can just put some little pieces to support it. Well, those are supposed to stick. See, now that made it. Okay, and there we are. There's more of it's a square box now instead of flared out like it was. So, see, much more square. So, there is my little video for today. So, if you like this, please give me a thumbs up. Please share. That also helps my channel grow. Please subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. And please comment down below. So thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye.